Ultrasonic cavitation is a cutting-edge, non-invasive method for body sculpting and fat reduction. It is becoming more popular in beauty salons worldwide. Without requiring surgery or downtime, this cutting-edge technology targets and breaks down resistant fat cells using ultrasonic waves. Beauty salons are using ultrasonic cavitation machines more and more. This is because they are safe and effective. This non-invasive body shaping method attracts clients. It produces clear results without the dangers of surgery. So, let's get started. Number 5. Beautyhuolian 3-in-1 Cavitation Machine. This cavitation slimming machine is a state-of-the-art device designed to offer comprehensive body shaping, skin tightening, and lifting treatments. This machine combines advanced technologies to deliver professional-grade results, making it a must-have for both personal and salon use. 3-in-1 functionality. The Beautyhuolian machine integrates 3 powerful functions into one device: 80K cavitation for fat burning, ultrasonic body shaping massage, and RF radiofrequency facial skin tightening and lifting. This multifunctionality ensures users can address a range of beauty concerns efficiently. 80K cavitation technology. The machine employs 80K cavitation, a highly effective method for breaking down stubborn fat deposits. The ultrasonic waves penetrate deep into the skin, targeting fat cells and facilitating their elimination. This results in noticeable weight loss and a more contoured body shape. Ultrasonic body shaping massage. The ultrasonic body shaping feature provides a soothing massage that not only enhances the fat burning process, but also improves skin texture. It helps in reducing cellulite and promoting a smoother, more toned appearance. RF facial skin tightening and lifting. The RF technology focuses on skin tightening and lifting. It stimulates collagen production, which is crucial for maintaining firm and youthful skin. This feature effectively reduces wrinkles, fine lines, and sagging skin, providing a non-surgical facelift. Comprehensive body and skin care. The Beautyhuolian 3-in-1 machine is designed to cater to various beauty needs, including body shaping, skin tightening, skin lifting, weight loss, and fat burning. Its versatile functions make it a valuable addition to any beauty regimen. Convenient stand. The machine comes with a stand, making it easy to use and store. This design ensures convenience and accessibility, whether in a professional salon or home setting. The next is Number 4. XHUODADA 9-in-1 Cavitation Machine. This cavitation ultrasonic body slimming machine is a cutting-edge device designed to offer comprehensive body contouring, skin rejuvenation, and relaxation. This machine leverages advanced technologies to provide salon-quality treatments, making it an essential tool for anyone looking to enhance their beauty regimen. 9-in-1 functionality. The XHUODADA machine combines 9 powerful functions into one device. It includes a 40K cavitation handle, multipolar frequency technology, anti-wrinkle treatments, skin lift and tightening capabilities, and massage functions. This versatility ensures that users can address multiple beauty concerns with a single machine. 40K cavitation ultrasonic technology. This feature uses ultrasonic waves to break down stubborn fat deposits, making it easier for the body to eliminate them. It's a non-invasive way to achieve a slimmer and more contoured physique. Multipolar frequency. The multipolar frequency technology enhances skin tightening and lifting. It works by stimulating collagen production, which helps in firming the skin and reducing sagging, leading to a more youthful appearance. Anti-wrinkle treatment. The machine's anti-wrinkle function targets fine lines and wrinkles, promoting smoother and younger-looking skin. This makes it an excellent tool for facial rejuvenation, skin rejuvenation, lift, and tighten. The XHUODADA machine is designed to rejuvenate the skin by improving its elasticity and firmness. It lifts and tightens the skin, providing a more sculpted and youthful look. Massage and relaxation. In addition to its slimming and anti-aging functions, the machine also offers massage and relaxation benefits. The various massage handles help to relieve muscle tension and promote relaxation, enhancing overall well-being. Its multifunctional capabilities make it a valuable addition to any beauty routine, whether for personal use at home or in a professional salon setting. By incorporating this advanced machine into your regimen, you can achieve a slimmer, more toned body and rejuvenated, youthful skin. The next is Number 3. 6-in-1 Lipo Slimming Machine. This slimming machine is an advanced device designed for spas to offer comprehensive body sculpting and skin rejuvenation treatments. This ultrasonic liposuction cavitation machine integrates multiple functionalities to deliver professional-grade results, making it an essential tool for modern beauty and wellness centers. Increase skin elasticity and refine skin. The machine uses ultrasonic cavitation technology to enhance skin elasticity, resulting in a smoother and more youthful appearance. By refining skin texture, it provides clients with a polished and rejuvenated look, nourishes skin, and promotes absorption. The ultrasonic waves help in better absorption of skincare products, ensuring that the skin is well nourished. This leads to a healthier and more radiant complexion. Relieves double chin and sagging skin. The machine effectively targets and reduces double chin and sagging skin through its advanced RF technology. This results in a more contoured and youthful facial profile, enhancing client confidence. Stimulates collagen regeneration. Collagen is crucial for firm and youthful skin. The machine stimulates collagen production, helping to firm and shape the body. This leads to long-lasting skin tightening and anti-aging benefits. Improves excess fat in back, waist, and abdomen. The ultrasonic liposuction cavitation technology effectively targets stubborn fat deposits in the back, waist, and abdomen. This helps in achieving a more sculpted and toned body shape, making clients feel more confident in their appearance. The 6-in-1 Lipo Slimming Machine is a versatile and powerful addition to any spa, offering a range of benefits from skin tightening to fat reduction. Its ability to deliver significant results in a non-invasive manner makes it a popular choice among clients seeking effective beauty treatments. By incorporating this machine into spa services, beauty professionals can provide comprehensive care that addresses multiple skin and body concerns, ensuring customer satisfaction and loyalty. The next is Number 2. Ultrasonic 30K Cavitation Machine. This cavitation machine is a state-of-the-art device designed for fat burning, skin tightening, face lifting, and body sculpting. This machine utilizes advanced ultrasonic cavitation and radio frequency (RF) technologies to deliver professional-grade results, increase skin elasticity, and refine skin. The machine's ultrasonic cavitation technology helps increase skin elasticity, making it appear more youthful and supple. It refines the skin texture, providing a smoother and more polished appearance. Nourishes skin and promotes absorption. By using ultrasonic waves, the machine promotes better skin absorption of nutrients and skincare products. This ensures that the skin is well nourished and maintains a healthy glow. Accelerates blood circulation and metabolism. The cavitation process stimulates blood circulation and boosts metabolism. This not only aids in fat reduction, but also enhances overall skin health. Relieves double chin and sagging skin. The RF technology in the machine effectively targets areas like the double chin and sagging skin, helping to tighten and lift these problem areas. This results in a more contoured and defined facial profile. Stimulates collagen regeneration. One of the key benefits of the machine is its ability to stimulate collagen production. Collagen is essential for firm and youthful skin. By boosting collagen regeneration, the machine helps firm and shape the body. Improves excess fat in back, waist, and abdomen. The ultrasonic cavitation effectively targets and reduces excess fat in stubborn areas such as the back, waist, and abdomen. This leads to a more sculpted and toned body shape. The ultrasonic 30K cavitation machine is a versatile and powerful tool for anyone looking to enhance their body and skin. Its multiple benefits, from skin tightening to fat reduction, make it an invaluable addition to both personal skincare routines and professional beauty salons. By integrating this machine into your regimen, you can achieve a more youthful, contoured, and healthy appearance. The next is Number 1. UNOISETION Cavitation Machine. This multifunctional fat-reducing machine is an advanced ultrasound vacuum device designed for comprehensive body and face care. It integrates cutting-edge technologies to provide fat loss, wrinkle removal, slimming, and overall body beauty solutions. 9-in-1 multifunctionality. This machine comes with a Cavitation 2.0 flat massage handle, negative pressure suction handle, 2-polar heated handle for eye massage, 6-polar heated handle for face massage, and a large 6-polar heated handle for body massage. Additionally, it includes a microcurrent handle, cold and hot hammer, and a set of pads. Body management and face care, beyond slimming and body shaping. The UNOISETION machine addresses anti-aging concerns and common skin issues. It effectively reduces facial wrinkles, dark circles, eye bags, and signs of fatigue, enhancing overall skin quality. Upgraded Cavitation 2.0. The flat ultrasonic handle is designed for energy efficiency and lower noise output. Its unique curved design ensures user comfort, preventing wrist strain during prolonged use and providing a more enjoyable massage experience. Cost and time efficiency. Owning this beauty machine means you can achieve salon-quality results at home, saving both time and money. It's an excellent investment for personal use and a valuable addition to any beauty salon. Moreover, it makes a thoughtful gift for loved ones. Customer service. The UNOISETION machine is backed by a 1-year warranty for the main device and a 3-month warranty for accessories, ensuring peace of mind and customer satisfaction. This versatile beauty device brings professional-grade treatments into the comfort of your home, making it a smart choice for anyone looking to enhance their beauty routine. Whether for personal use or as a gift, the UNOISETION Cavitation machine stands out as a top-tier option in the market, so this is the best option for you to buy.